Looks so cold. Vector! Am I glad to see... Oh! Go! Wait a minute. I've been following the track in circles! No! That means Vector's going round in circles too, and I'm following him. So I just need to turn around, and I'll find him. Huh?
The weather.
Vector?
The weather.
I gotta get you home.
I've seen things you wouldn't believe. Mythical beasts, fantastical creatures, lost in time.
Okay, Vector.
Like tracks in snow.
Keep talking, Vector. Now don't you go into sleep mode. I can't follow the tracks much more. Wait.
I get warm.
Hey, Cozmo! Hey, buddy!
Thanks for rescuing me. Let's look at my photos. Oh. I guess my flash wasn't working in the cold. After all that. Whoa! It's the incredibly rare lesser-spotted Siberian mountain lion. I did it! I'm going to be famous, famous, famous!
Vector? Those footprints we saw earlier, they were actually Alan's. We were trying to be kind. Sorry. Right, Wizmo?
Yes, but Alan's over there. Been there all night.
Whatever that is on the photo, it's not Alan. Could it be the incredibly rare...
Lesser-spotted
Siberian mountain lion!
Ah! Cozmo and Friends.